Oh.
Number 39. Find the equation of a line through point A, 4 to 1, perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. A, 3x plus 2y equals 40. B, 2x plus 5y equals 10. C, 5x minus 3y equals 10. D, 2x minus 10y equals 10. So the answer is letter A, 3x plus 2y equals 40. Y, given line, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. So the slope is 2 over 3 in the perpendicular slope equals negative reciprocal minus 3 over 2. So y minus 1 equals negative 3 over 2 times x minus 4 equals y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 6 plus 1. So y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 6 plus 1 equals 7. Times 2 both sides. So 2y equals negative 3x plus 14, or transpose that negative 3x. So positive 3x plus 2y equals 14. So the answer is A, 3x plus 2y equals 14.